Hello everyone, welcome back to the world of Java ePlanet. In this video, we will discuss everything we all need to know about Java 8 new features. Introduction. Java has evolved into supporting functional style of programming. From Java 8, the style of coding has been changed from Java 8. The way of writing code has been changed from Java 8. Before Java 8, we got to do everything in imperative style of programming by writing more lines of code. When Java 8 was introduced, we got to write the code in declarative approach by writing less and concise code. Why Java 8? Let me discuss it. These are the main objectives and benefits of Java 8. The first thing here is to make programming easy and simple. Before Java 8, we used to write lots of code that becomes complex and heck to the developer. But now it becomes way easy to develop the things much faster and write the code very easily. That makes programming style much simple. And the second one is to write more concise and readable code by utilizing functional programming. This is to write more concise and readable code by utilizing functional programming. That means by using Lambda expressions. And the third one is to enable parallel data processing and performance. To enable parallel data processing and performance. This is to get the benefits of multi-core processor in the Java 1.8 version by parallel processing. By parallel processing that has been evolved in the form of parallel streams. By using the parallel streams, we can enable the parallel data processing and improve the performance by using the parallel streams. If we get into detail, by using the stream interface that is used to process the collections, by using the stream interface is used to process the collections. The stream interface gives us the opportunity to execute operations in parallel on a collection of data without much effort. It lets you declaratively turn a sequential stream into a parallel one. Here, these are the most into a parallel one by using the parallel streams. These are the main three objectives of Java 8. Here comes the Java 8 new features. The first and the foremost important one is Lambda Expression. And the second one is functional interfaces. Default methods in interface, static methods in interface, predicate and by predicate, function and by function, consumer and by consumer, supplier, method reference and constructor reference using double colon operator, and one of the most important one is stream API, And the next is date and time API. And the next one is optional class. These are the main important Java 8 new features. In this course, we will completely master about all the features to the point.